Out here looking at the greenhouses that Troy's been working on. He's got the frame of these two up, and he's been building boxes and putting dirt in this one. This is the one that he's about to put trees in. This is the bed he's been filling up for the first set of trees. And they have been working one wheelbarrow at a time. One wheelbarrow at a time. But in each one of these, beds.
All right. All right, here we are. We're going to plant some trees today. We're in greenhouse number 2. And this is the fig greenhouse, also fig and fruit nursery and orchard. But this is going to also show my bottom watering system I put in and how I'm going to plant them. You can see I got this one here. It needs a little dirt put on top of the rock and the tree set in this one. I've already got the pipe where it goes right here, and then we'll set the tree over this way. I'll put some dirt over this. I have this one down here. I haven't put no rock in it. I wanted to show you a little more about the depth, and then I'm going to put some rock in it while we're here real quick. But as you can see, here's what would be the bottom of my hole, and I'm going to put some rock here and some dirt back on top of it. That'll kind of line up with that little lip right there. There's my pipe. I have some holes over here, one in the middle and one a little below that. I'm going to turn it that way so that can leak out that way. I'm sure it's going to flow back down in here. And there's going to be some rock on that, under that before it gets in there. So we're just doing single pipes. Let me put some rock in it. And we'll set this on. Just using clean #1 limestone from a local quarry. Like I said, hose to the back. That's high enough I can get a water hose in there. And we'll just put some of this dirt, there's a little clay. We'll put some of this other in there. On get kind of a base to it. It'll wick it right up. Kind of probably want to ruffle this up a little bit before you put it in there. Help encourage some growth. This tree here is LSU Tiger. Kind of push your fingers in there, just kind of tease it up. Set it in there. Hey, what? We'll go ahead and turn this way. We know we wanted to grow that like that anyhow. So We'll kind of shove it over there like that. Put the dirt back in here. Just kind of get it replanted. Don't matter if we mix some of the topsoil in with what we got in this bed. It's all the same. Kind of put dirt around our watering pipe we got over here. I don't think it needs anything else. There it is. Got our shoot tigers in the ground. Let's go back up here and we'll put this black celeste in the ground. We're going to put a little dirt on top of this one. Still needs some dirt put back on top of the rock. So we'll put a little of that in there, mixed in there. Kind of give it a bottom. There's a worm. Worm ought to love that. Now, do you remember this tree? This is our black celeste we washed down. I think the roots are plenty teased up enough to go in there. So we're just going to put it in there over here on the far side of this. I believe that's good. Fill it in. This bed's all new, as you know. It's just been recently built, so we'll put the dirt to it. I noticed that when we washed it down, it had a lot more green kind of coming up on it, so hopefully this will inspire it to grow a little more. Want that stuff around. Got weeds, throw them out, alright? Now there's black celeste. I hope it decides to wake up and live again. That's how I'm planting these trees in this greenhouse. There's the first two. We got the first bed done, so we're going to get them all planted out. We'll have the first 11 put in the ground here. We already got them out here, outside in this. I ain't really worried about getting plastic on it just yet, so main thing is get them in the ground and get them growing, get them established. So, thanks for watching. Alright, got them all planted right before the rainstorm. We're going to walk down through here and just give them a quick introduction. These are the first 11. And here we go. This first one, of course, you've already met. This is Black Celeste. The next one is LSU Tiger. And I also went ahead and you'll notice I went ahead and tied them down the way I thought I needed to get them tied down. Kind of getting them started. That and there's got a double tie. I used the horseshoes and some stakes. This next tree coming up here is Have the Day Argentile. I really can't do much to it. We're going to let it grow. It's got one fig on it, 2 figs on it. Next one here, Memorial Day Caneva. It was fairly easy to get trained to. It's still kind of a thin, scraggly looking growing tree. We'll stake it for now. The next one here is Blue Princess. That's pretty good. That was a pretty heavy, good sized tree. Got a lot of last year's wood on it. You can see where I popped some of the leaves off of it there where it's bleeding, where I could get it tied down. I didn't want to tie it. It would have been nice to be able to tie this down a little bit more, and I will later on, but for now to pull it over, that'll be enough. I don't want to stretch that wood because that's got brown wood on it. Next tree here is Fig Going. This thing just wants to grow everywhere, so I kind of just staked it and tried to get it to stand upright, and we'll kind of prune it back, and that 1 leader we'll have going this way here. This one here is going to work out for sure, and then maybe we'll use that bottom one over there to go the other direction. This next one here is Iranian Candy. I guess I'm going to have to rejuvenate, prune it at the end of the year. Might get to use this very bottom branch and pull it over. We'll see how it grows. That's probably what we'll do, and then have to try to figure out where we can get another one of these at. Maybe we use this one here. So we'll see how that goes. This next tree is I-258. It was fairly easy to train down, as you can see. Got some of last year's wood on it. Here's another one that was easy to train because it was already that real low. I actually got it laying up on its side a little bit. You can see this hump right here. That's where I planned it like that so I could kind of raise the branches up. This is Campaneri. And I even had to tie that branch up and then kind of tie that branch over and down with a horseshoe so it would kind of hold it and grow there. This next one is Bertolino. I just took the best two looking bottom low limbs, tied them over the shoes. Then we'll just trim all this other extra growth off at the end of the season. We'll prune all this back, and this will be what's left. She's gonna have some figs on her. And the last one is RDB. I don't know, I may have overpulled this branch here. We'll see over time if that splits, because it was kind of up here, so I pulled it over quite a bit. Hopefully it won't split out. We'll see what it does. And then got that one there. That's the first 11 and the end of the row there. We got this one done. We've got 33 more to get done. Oh, so thanks for watching.